So today's video is going to obviously be talking about cryptocurrencies, what my plan is with them, and a little bit about decentralized finance, what that is, and what you can gain or lose from that. Now, you guys know I like to put my money in different places. For those that don't know, I have a stock portfolio in Robinhood. I have a stock portfolio in M1 Finance. I also have my Roth IRA in M1 Finance. I have an account with Fundrise. I have 3 accounts in Acorns, my kids' college accounts, and another stock portfolio. So yeah, I like to put my money in different places. I think it's a good idea to not be too dependent on one thing. For example, say Robinhood's down, which does happen. I can buy stocks on M1 Finance if I want to. Say the stock market crashes, I have money into Fundrise. The overall idea there is to have money in different things. So if one sector crashes or whatever, you have something else. I never plan to really liquidate any of these assets, but with that being said, it helps motivate me and keep me interested in investing when I have the opportunity to see so many different things grow. And on top of that, I get to learn about all of them. So getting started here though, I'm buying my cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. Just seems like the simplest way to do that. I like to keep things simple. So the overall plan I have is to buy into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not trying to trade it, so it would be a dollar cost averaging approach. And basically my long-term overview or outlook on Bitcoin is that the price is going to continue to rise. For those that don't know, there's only going to be so many Bitcoins in the world. Once it gets to that point, probably before that point, I think we're going to see a steady increase in the overall value of Bitcoin in general. And on top of that, Ethereum is also one of the major coins, so I'm putting a little bit in there as well. Ethereum's kind of been used to create other things like decentralized finance, which we're going to talk about in a second here. But basically my plan is to just dollar cost average into these two and transfer them once in a while into my wallet. That way they're a little bit safer, but I have no plan to sell, no plan to really trade these two into other coins or anything like that. I might be using Ethereum a little bit here and there to buy into the decentralized finance thing, but yeah, let's move on to that right now. So I found out about decentralized finance when I was basically using Coinbase to buy into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Basically, the overall concept here is that with DeFi, we are eliminating the middleman, especially with cryptocurrencies. You'll be able to lend out cryptos to other people. So the one that I found out about is Compound, and going over to the Compound app here, you can lend out different coins and earn interest on them. And on top of that, you can also borrow coins and then pay interest on them. Now, I know you're probably looking at this and going, well, 3% interest, that's nothing. This changes all the time. Over the weekend, I was averaging probably 6%, which is actually really high in my opinion. So yeah, like I said, for Coinbase, I'm buying into Bitcoin and Ethereum. The reason why I have bought into DAI and USD coin is because the interest rates seem to be higher for this Compound platform. I might be using Ethereum to basically buy into these to get more coins, because as I'm earning interest on this, I am getting more coins, and that's the overall idea here. And on top of that, I'm also getting comp tokens for lending the money out. So if you think about it, I'm actually getting more than the 3%. I can collect this at any time and then just sell it if I want to. Compound is actually worth some money, so I can sell those comp tokens for cash or other Bitcoins if I want to, kind of thing. So yeah, like I said, this video is not going to deep dive any of it. I just think the overall concept of being able to make money on your cryptocurrencies is kind of fascinating. I'm very new to all this, so I'm still kind of learning, but if you guys want me to make a video on this Compound platform here, I can definitely do that. But like any investment or anything you put your money in, you should definitely do your research before you pull the trigger on it, especially something like cryptos. In my opinion, it's all very confusing and still being figured out. So there's a lot of risk here, but with that being said, there could be potentially a lot of reward, especially if you buy in at Bitcoin and it just keeps going up and up and up. That's the hope with any investment. But yeah, that about wraps up the video. I just wanted to let you guys know what I am doing. It's not a detailed video explaining anything, but if that is something you are looking for, I can definitely be your guy. Just let me know if that's something you're interested in. I can definitely do a video on Compound, like I said. But yeah, let's leave it at that. I've got a lot more alternative investments coming soon. So if you're new here and you made it this far in the video, sub to the channel so you don't miss that, and I will see you guys in the next video.